Speed and efficiency is paramount in everything we do. The faster we can get our jobs done, the faster we can move on to help the next customer. We get these calls a lot. Customer leaves their lights on overnight, we come out in the morning, their battery's dead. We use the Milwaukee tool HOTSHOT, saves the day, gets the customer back on the road, makes my job real easy. The ability to move this battery between all of my tools. Just in my truck here, I've got an M18 inflator, floodlight, and impact. With the M18 battery platform, the jump pack is always ready to go. Being in Wisconsin, we get temperatures from below 0 to 102 degrees in the summertime. So having a tool that's going to be able to work in all temperatures and all weather environments is extremely important. Having the HOTSHOT really makes it quick and easy because of the ability to jump multiple vehicles. If this was discharged, I could just go grab a brand new battery off the charger and slap it on, whereas a lead acid jump pack has to be recharged between jumps. Your downtime is eliminated completely. After using this for the last few months, it's been a great asset. I would recommend it for the towing and automotive industry. It does a great job and it gets my customers moving faster, and then they can move on to the rest of their day.